Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to pin comments on TikTok. To start, open your TikTok application in your mobile device. On TikTok, tap on your profile on the bottom right. Once you're here, head on over to your inbox, then click on your all activity. Once you're here, click on any of the comments that you made. Then long press the message. Then tap Manage Multiple Comments. Once done, head on over to your profile once again, then tap on the three horizontal lines on the upper right. This time, click on Settings and Privacy. Once you're here, scroll down, then tap on Report a Problem. Scroll down, then tap on Submit a Report. Then in here, input your problem that you have with your TikTok application. Go ahead, take your time in typing. Or you could wait for me to finish typing and then you can copy what I'm saying over here. As a side note, you can also add an image and a video as a support for your cause. Once done, click on Submit. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.